Hey there, origami enthusiasts! Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be creating something truly special, a stunning star crafted from not one, not two, but $3 bills. Grab your bills and let's dive into the art of folding. Take your first bill and begin by folding it in half. Unfold it to reveal the initial crease. Rotate the bill 90 degrees. Fold two opposite corners into the center. Then fold the two edges in once again. Rotate the bill and repeat this step on the other side. Rotate the bill horizontally. Mount and fold it in half, creating a central crease. Form a cross mount and fold. And follow it up with a square fold. Now, fold the edges to the center. Keeping the existing creases, perform a mount and fold. Flatten the model, revealing the double petals. Repeat this process twice more to create additional petals. So bring it all together. Use a square piece of paper with double-sided tape. Attach it to the base of the double petals, creating a connected structure. There you have it, a beautiful star made from $3 bills. Feel free to get creative with colors or patterns on your bills for a truly unique result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting origami creations. Happy folding, and see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to share your origami stars, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy crafting!